सर जी क्या कर रहे हो भाई?
Hey, Mark,
What?
I need
Mark,
2 units more over here in NG base.
Yeah,
Quick.
let's see.
At the main barracks.
Who are already in the NGBs be there. Everyone else respond to the store drop.
They're fucking dumb or
Guys, I've
what,
dropped the
bro?
global. Come to the
They
global
are
ASAP.
doing
We need
10-7
every
to
single unit.
latest global with the current additional 0.3.
10-7. Shadow
10-7,
10-7.
it's 10-17.
10-17, yeah, man. 10-17, man.
10-7 बोल रहा है भाई,
Then I
क्या
guess
कर
I
रहा है
heard
शैडो?
something wrong.
Okay. 10-3. Who is coming to store robbery?
Shadow cuff drop.
Come.
Cuff drop बोलो. Is demand given or what?
Is it a store or it's a gun store?
It's a gun store. Hey, come inside. We'll take demand. Hey, come. Professor Codex, come. Enzo, come.
Right.
Professor, you take, okay?
Yeah.
Take demands, okay?
Yeah. Go. Guys, we are here to take demands. We are
Demands
here
are
to take
given.
demands.
Demands are given.
Okay.
Leave. Demands are given.
Guys, demands are given. No one will enter the perimeter until we say you to do.
I need some units. I can see I am only the one from SAHP at NG base. No one is at the whole base. I'm requesting units to come over here.
I think only one entry enough in the NGB because we didn't say
I guess the
anyone.
NG situation is code 4 as of I know.
Hey, wait for global, do not enter.
Guys, don't enter.
Guys, come fast. We need a maximum
Guys,
unit.
I swear if I see any of the units sleeping at the HQ, guys, then we civil suspension.
They are just few people, guys. We can easily clap. Just come fast, bro.
I repeat, if I saw any of the unit just standing, disciplinary action.
Is the FIB hunting alone?
Bro, why does FIB always try to become the heroes?
Overconfident.
Yeah, he's only alone entering the entering the perimeter. Like what he is up to?
He wants to get clapped.
No, they want to get
Oh,
our
he's
state
taking
now.
bro. He's taking the evidences against inside the perimeter. What he is doing?
He is talking to them.
Come. No, come on. Don't enter the perimeter. FIB.
FIB not listening.
FIB. What are you doing?
I'm trying to take.
Bro, be careful. Don't get shot.
What is doing? Professor.
Guys, come near the cars. We aren't dumb like FIB. We need to stay protected. Come near the cars, everybody. Enzo.
What FIB said, Professor?
He said he's taking the evidences. I just said him to be safe. Don't go inside the perimeter.
Let him take the evidence.
Everybody at HQ, just come fast to the latest global.
If I see anyone in the HQ after this, be ready for a strike.
Only one guy cover the lobby. Rest all just come fast, guys. We need maximum units. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can I? Hello. Shadow, what should we do? Shall we enter?
Wait, let me check.
I guess as of I have searched from my drone,
Wait for 2 minutes.
they're around 13 to 14.
Mm-hmm. LSPD
Why
is not
isn't
coming?
LSPD replying to Red? Okay, I can see one LSPD car.
You guys have extra revolver? Hello.
Bro, no, bro, we don't.
Uh,
LSPD, are you more units coming, or I guess you are from LSPD?
yeah. No. Coming guys.
Okay, we have 2 minutes, okay? We have 2 minutes to enter.
So I guess they are 12 to 13 as of I have searched from my drone. I guess we should enter.
Guys, do you have some extra revolver, bro? Wait. Hey, officer, do you have extra revolver? Hello, officer.
Show me 1017 to the latest global with 0 additional 0 convoy.
Okay, guys, come. We'll enter together. Everybody, tell FIB LSPD
Yeah, we will
not to enter the
clap them.
parameters.
Wait.
Come,
The
we are
units are
entering, we are
coming.
entering.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
let's enter.
Entering?
Wait,
Okay.
wait, bro. They are coming. Wait for 1 minute.
Okay, wait.
For whom?
The guys
For
are
whom?
coming. The guys
Tell
are
them to
coming.
come
Wait.
fast.
Bro, our one officer. Bro, they are too much. I guess I need one revolver. Bro, hello. Hey, do you have extra revolver, officer?
Who are we waiting for, Shadow? Who are we waiting for?
LSPD units.
Huh?
LSPD
How many
units.
minutes are left?
1.
5 minutes are left, bro.
We
We
need to
should
enter.
enter.
We should enter.
Listen
in
me,
one.
how do you know, by the way?
I have used a drone.
Bro, guys, take your left.
Okay, I got you.
Guys, we are
I
only
got you, I
6
got you.
here. How can we clap
No.
them?
Bro,
I can
FIB is
clap,
also
bro, if
here.
I have a
I
revolver.
don't know. I don't know where they are standing. FIB is also here.
If
I
I
don't
have
know where they
revolver, I can clap them.
I can see 2 FIB, 1 LSPD, 3 FIB actually. 4 or 5 are from SHP, 1 from LSPD. We are less, but it's okay. We need to take the fight.
If anyone need revolver ammo, go
I
inside
have
the
an idea.
ammunition
Listen,
store
I
and
have a-
buy.
Come with me. We will enter from
3
back.
officer go from there, and 2 officer go from there, and we will push from there.
Okay, come. Shadow,
Okay,
tell
come.
everybody to push.
Everyone, we need to push, okay?
Guys, everybody enter the perimeter together. Guys, come.
Where they are going, man? Come.
I repeat, guys, enter.
Enter, everyone. What are you doing?
Nobody stays outside the perimeter. What the fuck are you doing, guys? Guys, need backup. Enter. Guys, help.
अभी तो हुआ 20 साल हो गए